I am Dr. Ishikura, the doctor in charge at Cellforce One Clinic. In this video, I will explain our unique treatment policy and process of regenerative medicine at our clinic. Our regenerative medicine uses the patient's own cells to repair damaged tissue and restore function. Our policy emphasizes keeping the harvested cells refrigerated, not frozen, and returning them to the body while maintaining a high cell viability rate. With this policy, we aim to minimize cell damage and maximize treatment potential. However, treatment results will vary depending on the patient's condition. First, a consultation with the patient is conducted to ensure that regenerative medicine is an appropriate treatment option. An infectious disease check will be performed by drawing blood to confirm that the patient is free of HIV, hepatitis B and C, and other infectious diseases. These tests are strictly confidential and the patient's privacy is strictly protected. After the infection checks are cleared, stem cells are harvested from the patient's fat cells. We have the technology to culture stem cells even from a small amount of fat tissue, and the process is carried out under thorough quality control at a culture facility approved by the Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare. Stem cells are stored under refrigerated conditions and cultured for several weeks. Our process aims to minimize cell damage and maintain a high survival rate. However, treatment results will vary depending on the individual patient's condition. Once cultured, stem cells are injected intravenously or directly into the affected area to promote regeneration of damaged tissue. The doctor will fully explain the benefits of the treatment in advance and provide detailed information about the risks and expected results. After treatment, regular follow-ups will be conducted to monitor the progress of the treatment. Additional treatments may be suggested if necessary. If you are interested in regenerative medicine, please feel free to contact us. Our doctors will provide you with appropriate advice.